This article introduces the concept of statistical arbitrage. Statistical arbitrage is a class of short-term financial trading strategies. One of the most well-known implementations of statistical arbitrage is pairs trading. The React team has decided to hold off on a change that disables parallel rendering of siblings within the same suspense boundary. Apple has released details on the architecture and design of next-gen CarPlay. This article discusses how next-gen CarPlay will work. Automakers will have a lot of control over how things look and work. They will be able to use their own interfaces for various features. Next-gen CarPlay will only support wireless connections. htmx 2.0 ends support for Internet Explorer and tightens up some defaults. It replaces the select and swap internal API method with a public swap method. Support for web components has been improved dramatically. The htmx website now supports dark mode. Details about the changes are available in the article. A tiny number of high-upside tasks will drive the most impact in your life. This article discusses how to create an environment where these tasks are more likely to come up. Complexity is anything that makes it hard to understand and modify a system. Essential complexity is inherent in and the essence of the problem as seen by the users. Japanese company TDK claims it has made a material that provides an energy density of 1,000 watt-hours per liter, about 100 times greater than TDK's current batteries. The material will enable smaller device sizes and longer operating times. It offers a higher degree of stability and safety, but its fragility makes it impractical for use in cars or smartphones. TDK plans to start shipping samples of its new battery prototypes to clients next year before moving into mass production. NumPy 2.0 brings a wealth of enhancements and improvements and sets the stage for future feature development. Some of the key changes include a cleaned-up and streamlined Python API, improved scalar promotion rules, Windows compatibility enhancements, and support for the Python Array API standard. There are also significant performance and documentation improvements. Some API and ABI changes are backwards incompatible, and users will likely need to adjust existing code when adopting the release. Wells Fargo launched a credit card with Bilt technologies in 2022. The card allows users to pay for rent without incurring fees from their landlords, while also earning rewards points. Wells is reportedly losing as much as $10 million every month on the program. The bank has told Bilt that it doesn't intend to renew the contract, which is scheduled to end in 2029. Quality is created both within the development loop and across iterations of the development loop. uikit enables developers to build performant 3D user interfaces for Three.js using React 3 Fiber and Yoga. The feature will help minimize the spread of misinformation on the platform. The U.S. government is suing Adobe for allegedly hiding expensive fees and making it difficult to cancel a subscription. The complaint claims that Adobe failed to properly disclose an early termination fee that can amount to hundreds of dollars. Customers have to go through an onerous and complicated process when canceling their subscription that involves navigating through multiple web pages and pop-ups. They encounter similar obstacles when attempting to cancel their subscriptions over the phone or via live chats. A copy of the complaint against Adobe is available at the end of the article. MIT researchers have developed an amber-like polymer that can be used for long-term storage of DNA. It can store DNA at room temperature while protecting the molecules from damage caused by heat or water. The DNA can be easily removed from the polymer without damage. The process of embedding DNA into the polymer takes a few hours, but the researchers believe that the process can be sped up with further optimization.